Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of auto repair and explore how to remove the front bumper of a Lexus R350 and replace the front brake grille. Let's get started. To remove the front bumper, you'll need a few tools: a clips puller, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a 10mm nut. First, remove the plastic clips on the top shield using the clips puller. Then, use the 10mm socket to remove the bumper bolts. After that, remove the 10mm nut at the bottom of the bumper. Carefully remove the gander clamp and gently pull the bumper off. Place the bumper on a work table for easy access. Now, let's tackle the front brake grille. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the grille screws, replace the broken grille, and put back the front parking sensor. And there you have it. You've successfully completed your DIY auto repair project. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy repairing!